Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see some more problems in triangle pattern. So first problem is, see here, whenever I give input as 5, I want to print a 5 rows of some triangle patterns, okay, in which we have a star pattern and also a hash pattern. So let us first write the row number and column number configuration. See here, this is the row number and column number configuration. So whenever we carefully observe this pattern, this triangle, see here, we already seen this triangle pattern, right? We already seen this triangle pattern, but what is the difference between the previous pattern and this pattern? Here there's a star and also the hash. Okay, fine, let's see. Wherever the star are occurred, 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 and 0 comma 4. So these are the places where star occurred in the first row, and then in second row it is 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 2. In third row it is 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 2. In fourth row it is 3 comma 0, and in fifth row it is 4 comma 1. Sorry, it is 4 comma 0, right? I wrote mistakenly, I wrote some mistake. So see here, by observing this all, what is a common between them? In first place, it occurred and skipped in the next place, and then it occurred, then skipped in the next place, and then occurred. Here also like the same pattern. So I can say at first the star will occur, and in next hash will occur, then again star will occur, then hash will occur. So I can say by seeing these observations, I can say whenever this column value is even, it is star. Whenever the column number is odd, we can say it is a hash. So for star, the column number will be even. Okay, for hash, the column number will be what? Odd. So this is the observation I have made. So how to find whether it is odd or even? Just do say column number mod 2. If it is equal to 0, I can say it is a even. If it is equal to 1, I can say it is odd. Now combine this all and just write a code. See here, just the same. I already told you how to print the triangle pattern. If you don't know about it, please go and watch that first, then resume this video. Because once you have complete idea about the triangle patterns, you can proceed further. Okay, I will just give the link in the description for entire playlist. Just watch it. Now, if j mod 2 is equal to 0, then what should I print? I should print star. Else I want to print hash. Fine. So this is the basic condition we have wrote. Just I submit it. Sorry, just I run it. See here, same output. Now, going to the next question. See here, if I give input as 5, then we want to print what? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, let me just write the row number and column number configuration. So here, this is the row number and column number configuration. Observe carefully. Here, I just printed 1. Okay, first observation. Let us forget everything. First observation. First observation is the triangle pattern is like this. This is my first observation. Yes. Now, listen carefully. Here, it is 1. Here, it is 1 and 2. Here, 1, 2, 3. So, by seeing this, here is 0 and here 1. Okay, fine. But here 1, it is 1 and 2. So, whether I have any use of this column number, sorry, row number? No. Now, let's see for the column number. Let me take the another color. Now, see this column number, it is 0. For 0, the all column value is what? 1. For 1, my all column value is what? It's 2. And for 2, my all column value is what? 3. And for 3, it is 4. And then for 4, it is 5. So now I got an idea. I want to print what? The column number plus 1. I want to print just the column number plus 1 instead of the star pattern. Okay, same structure as the star triangle pattern, but instead of this we want to print this. Fine. See here, for I in range of n, for j in range of I plus 1, and print j plus 1. Fine. So you have to break down the problem and just make it as easy. Okay, now let us see the next problem. So this is the next problem. 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5. For the input as 5. If I give the input as 5, you have to print this. Okay, let us write the row column configuration. See here, I have wrote the row column configuration. Observe this. By observing this carefully, see here, it is a row column. For row, all the values are different. Yes, all the values are different. Oh, first of all, for seeing this pattern, we want to consider that what is a triangle. I have forgotten to tell you. First of all, we want to consider what is the triangular pattern. So this is the triangle pattern. We know how to print this triangle. So let's assume we know this. We know how to print this pattern because in previous video we have solved this. Yes. Now for this 0, my whole column value is same or different. Is different. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. But for this 0, my row value is 1, and for this 1, this entire row value is 2. For this 2, my entire row value is 3, and for 3 it is 4, and for 4 it is 5. So I can clearly say I want to print row number plus 1, row number plus 1. Yes, instead of printing the star. So this should be my answer. Fine, just write it. See here, I just printed I plus 1. Fine. That same triangle pattern, but instead of star, I just print I plus 1. These are all about the triangle pattern. Still, we can see some more triangle pattern in the next video. Thank you.